Hola, soy Hannah Victoria, and I am here to share the importance about the Philippine literature during the Spanish colonization period. So, when you first hear the words Philippine literature during the Spanish colonization, ang una mong maiisip ay yung mga poems, yung mga novels na written that time. But when I first learned about the topic, I realized that it isn't just about the poems or the novels, but it is about our identity, our faith, and our fight for freedom. During the Spanish colonization time, our literature is focused on spreading the Christianity. The Spaniards introduced Doctrina Christiana and Passion to us that helped the Filipinos to pray. It taught the Filipinos to pray. And for me personally, I am thankful for the Spaniards for introducing Christianity to us because it shaped our spiritual values, our morals, and ito ay ginagamit pa rin natin up until today. Filipinos still believe in God up until today, and kung hindi inintroduce ng Spaniards ang Christianity, we may have been still believing with things like idols. So, as a believer of God, personally, I am thankful for the Spaniards for bringing Christianity to us. But literature did not stop only on religion. So, over time, it became a powerful voice para buksan ang mga mata at isip ng mga kapwa Pilipino. So, may mga Filipino writers na gumagamit ng Spanish language to expose the truths about the injustice and the abuse that is caused by the Spaniards. So, Filipino writers like Dr. Jose Rizal, who wrote No Limitangere and El Filibusterismo, showed or revealed the truth about the injustices and the abuse that is caused by the Spaniards to us. So, para sa akin, it is important na may mga writers back then na kaya o lumaban at hindi natakot para ibunyag yung mga katotohanan back then. So, if there are no Filipino writers back then, like Dr. Jose Rizal, we may have been still colonized by the Spaniards, and siguro hindi tayo nakalaya from them. Siguro up until now we are colonized by them because hindi mabubuksan ang isip ng mga Pilipino back then. Hindi mabubukas ang kanilang mga mata, ang kanilang mga isip, at hindi sila mapapag-question kung ano nga ba ang kanilang dapat na meron sa kanila. Kung tama pa ba ang kanilang natatanggap mula sa kanilang sariling bansa na inangkin ng ibang bansa. So, Philippine literature during those times isn't just about the past. So, it's not about just the past. So, it is about the transformation. And pinapakita how literature or how words can be powerful. So, from using literature to spread the faith or the religion, to using literature to open eyes para magbukas ng isip and to inspire a rebellion na nakapag-cause ng pagpapalaya sa atin from the Spaniards and from the abuse of them. So, para sa akin, literature is not just about words. It's not just about letters. It's not just about beautiful poems. It is about power. So literature for me is power. So when you know literature, you have the power to know, you have the power to write, you have the power to spread something important. So in the end, I believe that Philippine literature under Spanish colonization period is important because it gave birth to our national consciousness. So kung wala ang literature, hindi malaya ang Pilipinas ngayon. And it is also important because it shaped or it discovers it helped us discover our identity, our beliefs, and our strength as Filipinos.